You started in the industry?
Ayan, sa akin I love sharing my background, my past kasi parang sabi mo nga 'di ba, parang it gives inspiration kasi kung ano ka para makrelate din yung mga tao. So typical person, syempre upbringing ng magulang pero may struggles dun sa sa pagkabata. So hindi naman din talaga kami mayaman. Okay, we're not rich. My father is actually a seaman pero at the early age, medyo nagkaroon siya ng problema sa back. So hindi siya nakapagtrabaho. So ako nga naisip ko na hindi ko alam kung paano kami nakasurvive kasi at grade 5 pa lang wala nang work yung dad ko.
Yeah.
Grade 5 pa lang. So mother ko wala rin work. So hindi ko alam kung paano kami na-survive. So tulong-tulong din kami paano kami makapag-aral. So, nag-half scholar ako, gano'n. So, paminsan, walang masyadong baon, lalakad pa uwi. Yung mga kapatid ko, gano'n din. Pero, we never, kumbaga, hindi kami na-down doon. Parang iniisip lang namin na palagi na parang hindi pwedeng ganito ang buhay namin. Pagdating ng panahon, talagang dinidigdig kami ng parents ko na parang sabi niya, mag-aaral kayo mabuti, para pagka-graduate nyo, umahon naman tayo sa kahirapan, parang ganun yung gusto nyo marating. So, good enough na parang lahat kami magkakapatid graduate. Yeah. So, although,
when was this? About 10 years ago? 7 years ago?
Yung mga more than 10 years.
He's very young, guys. He's very young. It's one of the most impressive quality about him is such a because he's very young, he already is living the life that he wants.
Yeah.
Diba? So, that's why I'm just asking to give you an idea na kung kayo in your 40s or your 50s or 30s or just starting your life out there, diba? Wow, you have, the younger you are, the better.
Actually, paano ba to? Siguro para sa akin, young pa rin ako. I'm already 34 years old.
Oh, it doesn't show.
Yeah.
As kid. He's always smiling. He's always smiling, and you can see it in his eyes, diba? He's always excited.
I started this business for almost 4 years na rin naman. Pero, kasi you'll just realize to shift your direction na kung anong gusto mong path na magustuhan mo. Since, ko siya na-open mind ako dito, nung na-kidnap ako ng friend ko. Kasi I was an employee for almost 10 years. Okay? Kasi yun naman din lang ang alam ko. To be an employee, pagkatapos ng graduate, mag-work ka. So I climbed the ladder dun sa employment stage. Diba? So from staff, naging parang checker, naging ganon, hanggang sa naging senior project manager, and then it stopped. It stopped there.
It plateaued.
It plateaued.
It got stuck.
Kasi wala nang rank na higher.
Yeah.
So, sabi ko ganun, masipag ako, matyaga, pero I get bored.
Yeah.
I got bored. Parang sabi ko ganun, ano nang gagawin ko? Parang wala na. Parang hindi na ako excited. Tamad na akong magtrabaho. Parang ganun. Tapos, syempre nakakatamad din kasi yung income plateau din.
Yeah.
Every year lang na mag-increase ng mga 1,000 or 2,000 pesos. So, pumunta siya sa tax. Ganun. So, parang sabi ko gano'n, ano bang pwede kong gawin? Kasi, pag naiisip ko yung future ko, hindi ko na makita kung anong gusto kong pwedeng maging.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n, parang sabi ko, hindi ko yata mabibili yung gusto kong bahay. Yung pinakapangarap ko talaga ng bata ako is para ma-travel ko yung parents ko. Gusto ko ma-travel sila. Sabi ko parang naisip ko, pumunta kami na London, punta kami ng US, punta kami ng Australia. Yun naman na yung vision ko nung kasama ko yung parents ko. Mga kapatid ko din. So parang sabi kong gano'n, naku, paano ba naman to? Bahay nga, hindi ko pa mabili. Paano pa yung travel na ganyan? So I was actually parang napufrustrate ako kasi yung time is only limited. We are not getting any younger.
Yeah.
Parang sabi ko ng ganito, grabe, parang feeling ko, up until now, feeling ko, fresh grad lang ako, elementary student lang ako, college pa lang ako. Pero, the reality is, I'm already 34 years old. Parang ang bilis, parang sabi ko, kakapasko lang, magpapasko na naman, parang gano'n. So, parang ang bilis talaga ng panahon eh. Hindi mo talaga siya pwedeng, kasi may next year pa. Totoo yun yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao na parang, okay lang yan, ano ka pa lang naman, 20s ko pa lang naman. So sa akin nung dati, gusto ko kagad tumanda. Ngayon, parang sabi kong gano'n, pag pagka tinatanong nila yung edad ko, parang medyo magdadalawang isip ako, sasabihin ko, hindi. Pero ngayon accepted ko na siya.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi naman daw mukha akong matanda.
Tirador ka na rin, di ba?
Paano tirador?
Supplement.
Yes.
So, yung dati mong 10, siguro hanggang 85, hanggang 110 ka na.
Ganun. So, sa akin nun dati, yun nga, nag-shift yung pananaw ko na parang I have to look for another opportunity. But the opportunity na ikita ko nun was to go abroad. I would like to go for business or investment. Kaso, money involved. Walang savings eh. Walang savings. Yung dati kong trabaho is only for survival.
Yeah.
Kasya nga lang sa akin eh. Parang naisip ko, paano pa kaya kung kunyari magkaroon akong pamilya. Parang ganun. So, wala mo ng girlfriend, ganyan. Kasi naaawa naman ako mag-girlfriend ka. Tapos wala ka. Gutom naman, di ba? Didate kayo, ano lang. Parang sa akin naman, ayoko naman ng ganun lang puros yung routine. So parang naghahanap na ako ng ibang opportunity na iisip ko nun was to go abroad.
Yeah.
Yun yung talaga yung iniisip ko. I was willing to go abroad. Nagtanong-tanong ako kung ano yung mga pwede nilang i-offer sa akin. Sabi nila, Singapore nung panahon na yun is parang yun yung pinaka parang sikat na bansa na pwede punta. It's either Dubai or you go to Dubai or Singapore.
Yeah.
So parang sabi ko, sige, Singapore na lang, mas marami akong kaibigan doon. Although, chances are, sabi ng friend ko, you have to save around 70,000, parang gano'n, to stay there for 2 months, 2 to 3 months.
Yeah.
Sabi niya gano'n. Tapos tipid mode daw yun.
Yeah, super. It's expensive there.
Yeah, expensive daw doon. So parang sabi ko, grabe, parang masisave ako 70,000. So kaya ako kuha ng 70,000.
Not only that, diba? You're trying na to, see, that's what's frustrating. You want something for your life, but it will still need resources.
Yeah.
Diba? So, parang, it's like, again, you're painted in the corner, o kaya chicken or the egg situation again. Diba? So, guys, in other words, there's nothing that you can do on earth and na hindi kayo mga kailangan kahit na 500. Diba? So, you have to be real, diba? Wake up and smell the roses. So, if you're, hindi mo nakikita, kasi sometimes it's already your family, diba? That's already affected. Pero dahil mindset mo na everything will be okay. Pero hindi, lumalaki ang pangangailangan, lumiliit ang value. And before you know it, ikaw na yung, naglalactic acid na yung katawan mo sa stress.
Parang gano'n. So, sa akin, lax ako kasi for almost 10 years of employment na parang sabi ko, I want to enjoy life. I want to enjoy my, kumbaga yung 20s.
Yeah.
Gusto ko ma-enjoy yan eh. Yung mga tipong gaming, kasama kaibigan, ganyan. So, parang gusto ko ma-enjoy yung gano'n. Yun nga lang, parang napapansin ko palagi, parang lagi na lang required is money, ganyan. Hanggang sa parang na-realize ko, nagulat na lang ako, parang sabi ko nga kanina, 30 na ako, parang sabi ko na, I'm already 30 years old with, wala man
nothing
lang
to
ako, nothing to show. Puro siyabang lang yung nangyari sa akin noong time na yun. Parang sabi ko, shucks, parang hindi ito yung direction na gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko. So, nagtingin-tingin talaga ako ng other opportunity until syempre, you always pray to God na bigyan ka ng magandang break. Parang ganun. So, hoping na sana biglang may mahulog na pera sa
Actually.
Di ba mga ganun, manalo ka sa loto.
Iba ka, nagdadasal na lang. Yeah. Kahit kinatok-katok mo na eh.
So, sa akin nun, para sa akin, it's, yung opportunity na napunta sa akin today, can I say the company, no?
Yeah.
Yusana. Okay. Yusana nung time na yun, para sa akin ngayon, it's such a blessing ni Lord na binigay. Siguro ito talaga yung pinagpipray ko kay Lord before.
Yeah.
Yun. So, hindi ko naman, although, usually ang blessings ni Lord, hindi talaga siya, hindi siya obvious eh. Hindi siya makikita, parang feeling mo, gastos lang siya, ganito lang siya, hindi siya, parang wala lang, parang ganun. Pero yun pala yung blessing ni Lord. So, ang lang naman doon, the critical thing is the decision that you make, pwede mo siyang tagalan, pwede mo siyang although, yung results na gusto mo mangyari, kung patatagalin mo siya ng 1 year, patatagalin mo siya ng sobra-sobra, baka mamaya yung opportunity passed by na, sayang naman. Parang ganun. So sa akin ng time na yun, kinidnap ako eh. I was kidnapped by my friend kasi parang iniisip niya kung okay sa akin o hindi. Kasi yung ganitong industry, hindi talaga sa akin pa to. Yeah. So siguro halos lahat naman ng mga tao parang gano'n. Yeah. Medyo negative about the industry. So, nung kinidnap niya ako, although weird lang sa akin kasi hindi pa naman ako nakakita ng ganung klaseng industry. I've heard of it.
Yeah.
Pero hindi pa ako nakakita. So hindi ko alam kung paano siya ginagawa.
Yeah.
Kung anong nangyayari sa loob, parang gano'n. Yung pala maraming presentations pa ngayon. Mga gano'n. So parang umakit ako dun sa office ng Yusana. Tinur ko yung buong Yusana office. I was looking for my friend. Kasi sabi niya, punta daw ako doon 24th floor.
Yeah.
Kaya, libot-libot ako doon. Parang sabi ko gano'n, ano ba naman tong work niya? Akala ko ba IT siya? Parang gano'n. Why are they presenting? There are some kids, parang gano'n. Tapos, parang may mga parang health na gano'n. Sabi ko, this is weird. Until, yun, tinatawagan ko siya. Nag-meet up kami. Pinaupo niya na ako. So, akala ko lang talaga is we're going to kwentuhan, chit-chat, kakain sa labas, ganyan-ganyan. Yung pala gano'n, presentation.
Ikaw marami kang mega, di ba?
Yeah.
Marami kang parang
Grabe talaga yung mega ko, no?
Doon sa presentation, di ba?
Yeah.
Ikaw yung nagpipilosopo ba yun?
Hindi naman sa nagpipilosopo, pero parang, although tinanong ko siya, sabi ko ganun, that's pyramiding, sabi ko ganun. Sabi nung ganun, si Mentor Caleb yun, yung nagpe-present sa akin. So sabi niya ganun, siguro dahil bago pa lang siya, na-stun siya ng konti sa question ko. Kasi it's a direct question na mahirap siyang sagutin, lalo na kung yung tao nega. And ang tingin ko kay Mentor Caleb nun, he was such a goody-goody boy, na payat, na moreno, na parang bata pa. So parang sa akin ng dati, parang I was close-minded kasi feeling ko, I'm already 30 years old and I know how things work. Parang ganun yung feeling ko Alam ko yung buhay, galing ako sa mahirap, ganito, ganyan. It's not easy to earn money, tapos bibigyan mo pa ng ganyan, parang ganun. That's a scam, parang Ayan, so parang sa akin ganun, no, this is not a scam, sabi niya, this is not pyramiding. So explain siya, so papasok sa left ear ko.
Baby, 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 heaven sent you. Maybe, 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 maybe we were meant to be together, be forever, two little hearts go boom. Boom, 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 boom. Baby, 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 heaven sent you. Maybe, 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 maybe we were meant to be together, be forever, two little hearts go boom.
Nag-commercials yun. Pero parang kinatlang si ano yun.
The moment I didn't understand the concept.
Talaga? Oo.
I was not health conscious, so I was not into the products.
Yeah.
So sabi ko ganun, grabe naman yung products na may mga ganyan. Buti sana kung mga tipong, ang nami-vision ko kasi na parang gusto kong mga products is mga technology, mga tipong cellphone, laptop, pero parang sabi ko ganun, grabe naman, supplements naman yan. Sabi ko, parang yun yung nasa isip ko, although I'm not,
way beneath me.
Yeah, I'm not telling them those things kasi parang kahit pa paano naman, ayoko naman magwala doon, parang ganun. So, pero hindi talaga ako makatulog. That's the weirdest thing. I didn't understand any. Ang nasa isip ko lang, para sa akin ganun, paano ko kumita yung nag-invite sa akin? Pero paano ko kumita yung nag-invite sa akin? So para sabi ko, okay, I prayed to God. Sabi ko ganun, Lord, kung para sa akin to, sabi ko ganun, kung para sa akin talaga to. Kasi, hindi na nga makatulog Siguro, nakauwi ako ng bahay mga bandang 10. 4 o'clock na, gising ba ako? 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Nagising ako ng 5. So, may 1 hour lang. Yun pa rin yung nasa isip ko. Paano ko kumita siya? So, nag-pray ako kay Lord. Sabi kong ganito, Lord, kung para sa akin talaga to, bigyan mo ko ng sign. You know what? After 5 minutes, may nag-text sa akin. Sabi niya gano'n, opportunity knocks only once.
Oh my God!
This is weird. Sabi ko gano'n, sige na nga, Lord, para sa akin siguro to. Ikaw na bahala. Parang gano'n. So, alam mo, ano rin, sa akin din nung time na yon, the reason din na parang bakit ko siya iniisip na baka kumita siya. Kasi yung person na nag-invite sa akin noon, parang ano siya para sa akin pagkasama ko siya lagi, pag nakakasama ko siya, there's something good happening. Mayroon siyang magandang input palagi sa akin, parang ano nangyayari sa buhay ko.
Yeah.
So parang sabi ko, sige, baka nga blessing siya ni Lord sa akin. Parang ganun. So people come and go na parang bibigay sa'yo ni Lord ito, He will give you a good, blessing na opportunity na pwede mong magamit. Parang ganun. So ngayon ko lang rin na-realize yung mga parang, okay, si Lord binigay sa akin itong taong na to, parang i-share at makuha ko yung direction na gusto ko. Parang ganun.
Yeah.
Galing ni Lord.
It's so funny because you mentioned you got that sign, diba?
Yeah.
Me naman, I walked into Enterprise and had set up a meeting with sila mentor with me. So ako naman, was the night before I was crying kasi they're my friends also eh. And Coach Chopet is a really good friend of mine.
Yeah.
So I was scared, what if I failed them? So the night before I met up with Mentor, I was crying and crying. Oh God, kaya ko ba to? Blah, blah, blah. And the funny thing, after I met with them, ang nakita ko naman na sign, I was just looking out the window of my cab. Nakalagay, nasa taong gawa, nasa Diyos ang gawa. Okay. So he does actually, well, I guess siguro why that struck me, what he said, you got the text. Because parang consistent yun, those who enter into our company, di ba, and consider it, and see something, di ba, whether it's faith or what, parating consistent na pag nagtanong, very tawag nga nila, pasok sa banga yung message.
Totoo.
It answers your doubt.
Yeah.
It answers your fears.
Yeah.
And it's always and what's great about it, the timing.
The timing,
The timing. It's not 2 weeks later.
Yeah.
It's immediately after. So so for di ba? So parang sa it didn't just happen to me. It happened to you. It happened to Rennie, di ba? So I guess we're in the right company.
Yeah, I think so.
But anyway, here, you said something like faith, diba? And a couple of days ago, it's very true. You're very successful in this company. And I know so many, diba? Especially in our team, na talagang, wow, week in, week out, there's always someone achieving something.
Yeah,
diba?
almost
Weekly.
Weekly talaga.
Yeah, so that's a great thing. And I was just writing, and if you're considering this industry, ang nilagay ko dito, I posted this with a picture of Mentor Rai and his Gertrude, diba? As nilagay ko doon, the first ever one important rule that stands between us and success in what we're doing now is just to believe in the facts and the proof of life. Kasi sabi ko talaga, in hindsight, yung mga kilala ko, it wasn't having knowledge nor skills nor rightness of attitude that led many to succeed here. Diba? Based on the experience and what I see, my friends who believed in the facts first were the ones who made it to the top. Diba? So hindi, dahil kailangan may galing ka na, may skill ka na, diba? Kung ano na yung nakita mo, na fact and proof of life. Proof of life. Yeah, take it. Diba? So, legitimate siya, moral, at ethical. Diba? So, wow, that's such a... I love how your humble beginnings, diba? And I love how funny your story towards your journey, your story about getting to the door of success. But now people are probably wondering, and this is one of the questions that we want to ask you, but we just have to go on a break. When we get back, guys, this is what I want to ask Mentor Leb. What is the goal that you set out to do this year, and ano yung proof of life nung pag-achieve mo ng goals na yon, di ba? So we want to know that because the show is about winners in 2014. It's for the audience, di ba? More than us, it's for the audience. This is your potential that could become your certainty. At hindi lang siya possibility, it's really certainty, di ba? So we want to show you what you're missing, an aspect of your life that you may be missing, and we'll talk about also how he got there, what he did, ano yung routine niya, so that you can compare kung ganun din ang routine niya.
Okay.
Diba? So anyway, we'll be right back. In the meantime, one more break, and meron ka pang later. Anyway, we'll be right back after this reminder. So to all of the 111 guys. So yes, so we'll be right back. Stay tuned. In the meantime, happy thoughts.
This is your Entertainment Minute on BTRJ 810 AM.
A former vocalist of the band River Maya auditioned for the second season of The...
Alright, good afternoon. Welcome back to Happy Thoughts with Francine de las Alas, and I'm your host, Francine, and I am joined by a very special guest kicking off the season of Winners in 2014. We have Mr. Levy de la Cruz, and as I promised, what I want to know, and I'm also curious about, is what are the goals that you set in place that you were able to actually attain this year. And ito po, ikukwento niya sa inyo yung naging journey, how these goals got solidified during the year, and how they, how he was able to reach them this year. So, first, let's talk about your milestones.
Yeah.
Let's talk about ano yung mga naging milestones mo this year that you're so proud of.
Okay, milestones. So, yung pinaka-latest, yung I bought my first sports car. It's a brand new Ford Mustang. So, yun yung parang last piece sports car. It's a brand new Ford Mustang. So, yun yung parang last piece of the Got to Have It green. 20 pieces lang daw siya. Lang. Eh, di ba? I'm not sure. So,
Limited
baka mamaya
edition.
kasi, limited edition daw siya. So, yun yung pinaka-latest ko. Although, I'm more proud of the people na reach out ko and then they actually got okay. Naging ano sila, isa kong, yung mga minimentoran ko, so 5 of them actually made it to co-director.
Rank advance.
Yeah, they rank advance. You know, tapos, kumbaga parang nakakatawa din isipin na parang from nobody, now they are already doing training. Sila mismo yung public speakers. Mga ganun. So parang nakakatawa lang din na isipin na parang those people na walang direction din sa buhay. Ngayon meron na silang results.
Yeah. Okay, so we're talking about your most favorite milestone is that those that you were mentored, diba, finally arrived at their first major milestone. And then, of course, one proof of life also is your GT Mustang.
Yeah.
Diba? So those are your highlights for 2014. What I wanted to know, because we were also talking about before while on break, diba, that this goal got actually started last year but got they got reinforced this year, and you continue to pursue it. So ano itong mga goals mo na yun that's connected to what you have now, these milestones?
Yung goal kasi last year is to rank advance. Kasi parang yung goals noon actually hindi siya ganun kadali. It was frustrating actually. It was frustrating kasi every week we plan our goals. Tapos hindi siya may hit. Hindi siya na-hit last year. Parang grabe, parang lahat kami parang ano nangyayari? Is it still working? Parang okay pa ba talaga siya? Parang mag-income, tapos medyo maglalaylo, magda-drop ng konti, tapos we still work on it, parang ganun, kaya pa to guys, kaya pa to. So you just have to keep your head up kasi ikaw magdadala ng team. So nung time na yun, I changed my goal. Parang sabi ko kasi I was focused on bringing them up. Sila muna, parang ganun yung naisip ko.
Yeah.
But although Mentor Billy, sabi niya ganun, he gave me an advice na parang sabi niya, kung gusto mo, sabi niya ganun, ikaw muna mag-rank advance. Sabi niya ganun. So, last year, I tried my best to rank advance. Nag-rank advance ako last year. October, naging Ruby Director ako noon. So, it was, kumaga doon ko naramdaman ulit yung parang gigil na parang sabi ko, grabe, kaya pa pala. Na naging Ruby ako, doon na yung time na parang, as in, nadala ko yung group.
Yeah.
Pagdating ng January January this year, starting from January this year, yung isa kong mini-mentor si Mentor Raisa. Mentor na rin siya ngayon. Mentor Raisa, become a co-director. Ngayon, tapos, sunod-sunod sila, halos.
Yeah.
Sunod-sunod sila. Si Mentor Raisa, naging gold. Si Miles, Coach Miles, naging gold din. Si Coach Joey, si Judy. As in talagang sunod-sunod sila. Si Steph from Bacolod. Parang nagulat lang ako sa yung tendency or ripple effect na kung inumpisahan mo, meron diyang mga madadamay sa tulong. So parang yun yung nakita kong magandang bagay na this year talaga, sabi nga namin ganun, nung January na pre-charge namin na event, sabi na, this will be our year. Talagang yun yung sinasabi namin sa sarili namin, this will be our year. And in fact, tingin ko, this is our year talaga. Maraming nangyari, maraming bagay.
Another significant milestone.
Yeah.
You know, never mind if you were able to afford your dream car, diba? Pero it's more than anything, what is admirable is because your goal was to actually help build lives. First and foremost, it wasn't material, diba? It was parang kumbaga pointers mo sa heaven yan, diba? So, and that's, I didn't even expect that. Diba? That was the most important thing for you. Other people, when they plan, set out what they want for the year. Diba? Putting others first. And I guess it's one of the reason why it was so easy also for you to succeed because you put the needs of others first before yourself, diba? And naging tuloy, the way I see it, correct me if I'm wrong, parang incidental na lang yung nakuha mo yung Mustang. Because part of being the ability to have it, diba?
Sabi nila kasi
became an offshoot of your success sa transforming lives.
Parang isa sa mga binigay sa akin advice ng mentor ko, si Mentor Caleb, sabi niya, Lebs, if you want to reach your goal, you just have to help a lot of people reach their goals.
Yeah.
So parang sa akin, pero although iba sa akin parang sa akin yung moment na nag-start up sila, they believe in me, that's a crucial stage sa akin, ayokong mapahiya. So parang I keep on helping them na ma-reach nila yung goals kasi parang na ako kasi inaasahan nila. Parang ganun eh. So mas malalim siya sa akin na parang kung ganun yung isip ko. Pero hindi ko siya iniisip na ganun. I mean, hindi ko iniisip na parang tulungan ko lang siya, makukuha ko yung goal ko. Hindi ko siya na-realize or hindi ko siya iniisip. Ganon. Ang naging instant sa akin is I have to help those people kasi kung hindi sila kumikita, wala silang kakainin. Ganon. Hindi nila makukuha yung goal nila. Hindi sila makakapag-improve yung life nila. Kasi marami akong kaibigan, marami akong kasama dito na parang out of nothing talaga na parang gusto ko makita sila na parang yun yung ultimate goal ko eh. Gusto ko makita sila na may mga sasakyan na sila. Gusto ko makita na parang nagta-travel kami sama-sama. Gusto ko makita sila na parang kung dati nagtsatsaga sila na parang may mga instances kasi may distributors, they don't have any money left para magkumain sa labas, parang ganun. Mag-aalibayin talaga sila. Kasi alam ko yung pakiramdam dahil ganun ako dati. I'll just make an alibi na parang, kumain ka na ba? Opo, kumain na po ako. Gaganon lang ako. Pero nakikita nila sa mukha mo, gutom ka.
Kasi cross-eyed.
They will treat you. So sa akin nun, alam ko yung pakiramdam na walang pera. So parang masakit sa akin pag nakikita kong wala masyado sila. Parang ganun yung parang nahihirapan sila, ganun. Masakit sa akin yun. So I really want to help them. Although they have to experience. Kasi part of being successful is they have to experience all those pain.
Yeah.
Hindi siya po pwedeng, kaya ka naging successful kasi you experience those pain eh. Ayaw mong maging ganon. Kaya you have to improve yourself.
Exactly.
So, sa akin,
hindi ka pwedeng i-babysit all throughout by your coach or your upline. Because, if you don't, ako naman na-experience ko dyan, mentor, kung hindi mo naman siya solvin, mas nakasalalay ka lang sa mentor mo, diba? Ay, may kwento ako dyan later. Kung nakasalalay ka, hindi ka rin matututo and hindi ka aangat. Diba? Hindi mo ma-overcome. Paano kung ang liit na bagay lang nun, pang tawid gutom lang para magawa yung negosyo. So, na-defeat ka kaagad ng maliit na yun. Mas malaki pa yung milestone kayo of being a top earner, an achiever, a leader. Mas malaki pa yun, diba? So, kung sa maliit na bagay, hindi mo magawa dahil nabababysit ka. You baka ma-frustrate ka and you might blame na kasi I couldn't do it, wala akong resources. You might just blame those little situations na pwede naman palang i-hurdle. Okay, so, we just have to go on a BBC break, but we'll be right back. Let's continue your story of helping others, diba? Helping others get their dreams. So, in the meantime, hello to everyone, diba? Mentor Billy, maraming salamat for posting and encouraging everyone to tune in to Mentor Levy today, and happy thoughts with Pressing de las Alas. And we'll be right back. Please, we are live at www.tvchannel/DCRJ-810-AM, or you can call us up at 895-4460. This is Francine de las Alas with Mentor Levy de la Cruz saying, happy thoughts, everyone. We'll be right back.
The BBC in London goes direct to the Raja Broadcasting Network, DZRJ, 8:10 AM, with a live news update. A matter of time before Iran acquires
immediate weapons. America's traditional allies are not hedging against us. They don't trust our commitment. They don't trust our judgment. And that leads them to do policies that ultimately would be damaging to us.
That's Fanny Nasa on Hard Talk.
We're bringing you the latest updated news that's important to you throughout the day. The Philippine Star is the trusted source for accurate, in-depth news coverage. DZRJ, 8:10 a.m. The Voice of the Philippines is proud to join forces with the Philippine Star, ensuring that you get the most accurate, trustworthy, and timely news that you can use all day long. The Voice of the Philippines and the Philippine Star, teaming up to bring the news to you. We welcome comments from our listeners, whether it be on issues or our programming. Our phone numbers are 897-8374 and 895-4460. You can also email us your suggestions on our programming. And if you need more info from our life coaches, email us at rjamfeedback@rjplanet.com. DZRJ, 8:10 a.m. The Voice of the Philippines. Heard nationwide and all over the world via the internet streaming, which can be accessed via rjplanet.com. We repeat, our phone numbers are 897-8374 and 895-4460. Thank you for listening.
We now return to Happy Thoughts on DZRJ 810 AM, the Voice of the Philippines. Here is your host, Francine de las Alas.
All right, welcome back. The air. Do it now.
Yeah.
So this is Francine, and I'm with Mr. Levy de la Cruz, and you are tuned in to Show Me the Money Show, and we are talking about the goals of Mentor Levy, and he was saying that the most important to him was actually helping others reach their own dreams, diba? And because one, he could totally relate to it, dumaan din siya doon, diba? And pangalawa, those who can relate to it and actually did something about it, ibig sabihin, gininto ang puso talaga si Mentor Levy kasi inuna niya yung iba. Diba, pwede ka naman makarelate and then dead mo eh. Diba? Go after only for what will benefit. Yun lang, may mga, diba? Pero ikaw, you really stayed on with them.
Yeah.
And here, I always tell you guys that there should be proof of your goals. So it's not about every day Mentor Levy was showing up to train, diba? Hindi yun. It's not about making sure na nare-remind niya yung mga tao, diba? It's not about teaching them how to game plan. It was about saan, ano yung pinararating nung ginagawa niya every day. And the results, he mentioned 5 gold rank advancers. It's not an easy thing to do. Gold rank advance means that you have to pull everyone up with you consistently, simultaneously. So all of you must be walking in the same page.
Yeah.
Diba? Week in, week out for the next 4 weeks. And on top of that, meron kang kailangan din na income.
Yeah.
Diba? So this is very challenging in many fronts.
Yeah.
Diba? In many fronts. And multiply that by 5 or 6 that you have helped this year. That is no easy feat. And truly, you are really a gifted leader. Diba? And kung hindi ka man born leader, sakaling let's say hindi ka man born leader, you have made yourself into one. Diba? Kasi may proof of life ka eh. Diba? So, Mentor, okay, so how hard was it for you? Okay, how hard was it? Kasi, it's different when you goal that I just want to have a car or let's say, a condo unit, because that is totally dependent on you. Diba? Yung aabutin mo yung income mo, may tulong ka because it's in the networking, diba? Pero ikaw lang yung but when you are already talking about other people's goals, that means there are 2 people na magkaibang views, magkaiba ng baseline.
Can control them.
Diba?
They have their own, parang buhay
may
nila.
acne din dyan, diba? I-overcome mo pa yan as a leader. I have a question. What's your goal? Did you choose how many people you were gonna mentor this year as part of your goal?
Wala akong,
so,
I don't have any goals.
Free for all.
Yeah.
Free for all. Kasi
para sa akin, kung may nakita akong potential, then do it.
Okay.
Mentor him, ganun, or her.
Okay. So, kasi, okay. So, kung sining lumapit, sino may potential, that's what okay. My next question is, how hard was it for you? Kasi you're not only thinking about your emotions, you're also thinking about theirs. You're also thinking about their development. Not your development, but their development, their needs. Diba? Their
yung daily needs nila,
So,
yung kailangan nila. Actually, ano rin mahirap yung point na kung sarili mo lang okay lang. Kaso, hindi mo kasi control yung ibang tao eh. Their emotions, hindi mo control. So, kailangan ingat. To trust the mentor na darating yung araw na makukuha niya yung goal. Although, there are some people na hindi mo pwedeng bawal maging emotion, bawal maging maging emo, ganun. Bawal laging mag-emote, bawal laging ma-depress. Hindi siya ganun eh. So there are some people na iba ang ang maturity curve nila. May ibang tao na matagal, may ibang tao mabilis. So iba-iba yung tao. So you have to kailangan mo talaga siyang timplahin. You have to adjust. Sabi ko, ganun. Siguro, ang good thing lang sa nangyari sa buhay ko is, napagdaanan ko naman din kaagad.
So you were very compassionate. You had that,
tapos napagdaanan ko kaagad. And then I know how it feels. So I can relate to them. Na, darating yung araw na tatawanan mo na lang lahat ng problema mo eh. Kasi tatawanan mo na lang. So sa akin, once na na-build yung magandang relationship ninyo, you become a team. That's very important. You can't do it alone kasi hindi mo siya magagawa talaga na mag-isa. You will need a team. Lahat, kasi people, wala namang perfect person. Walang perfect. Kahit naman ako, I have my weaknesses. Alam ng mga distributors kaya yung mga weaknesses ko. They know that I'm not good at inviting. Hindi ako ganun galing mag-invite. Okay, so although I have lots of ideas. Marami akong ideas na parang pwede natin gawin yung ganito, magiging okay yan. Marami akong ideas. So yun yung strengths ko. So if you become a team, those other person, may mga iba naman din silang strengths na pwedeng pumunong sa weaknesses mo. So yun yung maganda rin.
You're the team nga pala that leveraged each weakness and strength. I remember your story, also part of your story, na sa magaling siya sa ganito, so yun ang ginawa.
So ang maganda lang din kasi, di ka dapat ganyan kasi mentor ka. They didn't understand that I'm also a person. They didn't understand, but they have to understand. Kaya nila naiisip yun. I have to be ahead of them na parang ganun talaga eh. Parang ganun. You have to understand dahil pinagdadaanan pa lang nila ngayon eh. Parang ganun. Pero someday, they would understand me. So, relationship is very important na parang sa akin ang through thick and thin, kahit wala ako, hindi nila alam yun eh.
Now they know.
Now they know. Noong time na yung walang-wala pa, hindi nila alam na kung naghihikos sila, wala rin ako. But I have to show them that I'm strong. They have to show them that I'm strong. Hindi pwedeng makita nilang pinanghinaan ako. So, nandun yung improvement din na parang, alam mo, good thing talaga with this business is yung development talaga ng character mo eh.
Super.
Sa akin,
it's a daily thing.
Oo. Alam mo yung mga simpleng sa buhay, parang sabi ko dati hindi ko siya, binabaliwala ko siya. Ngayon, machi-cherish mo eh. Sobrang machi-cherish mo yung mga bagay na ganun, parang mas nakikita mo yung lalim ng ganda ng buhay din ngayon. Parang yung konting ganyan lang ba, magpapa-apekto ka o titignan mo siya ng ibang perspective sa mga problema na dumadating. Pero kami, we see it na if we have problems, see it in a different perspective, you have a gain from it lagi, yung problems na ma-occur mo. So sa amin dati, ngayon parang cheesecake lang ang problema. Problema lang yan, pagdadaanan mo yan, hindi mo pwedeng tambayan. Problema yan, magiging parang booster mo yan someday. Na pinagdaanan ko to, nagawa ko to. And it will be an inspiration for everybody.
I have a question. You said that lingid din sa kaalaman nila na you also are going through your own
my own struggles.
Your own struggles while doing that, diba? But you have to show a brave front. Okay. Was that something that's not easy, di ba? Parang faking your happiness, di ba? Faking your strength, faking your courage, di ba? So, were you always like that by character before? Talaga bang even in college? Or dito lang nabuo yung parang I'm a leader and therefore I should always...
Siguro ng college pa. Kasi, nung time, hindi pa nung college. Way back, elementary pa siguro. Kasi, hindi naman alam ng parents ko na hindi naman ako kumakain. Kasi walang pera. Hindi naman din alam ng parents ko na nagbabarker ako ng jeep pagka wala na akong pamasahe. So, although paminsan ay kakwento sa akin ng kapatid ko na parang, grabe, alam mo bang kinakain ko lang dun sa school, kasi siya, UP Los Baños siya. So, pagtitipidin daw niya ang isang can of sardines sa buong araw. Everyday yun. Yung isang can, 1/4 nun, 3/4 nun is pang umaga. 3/4 nung natitira is lunch. 3/4 nung is for dinner. Yun yung struggle naman niya. Parang, alam mo, minsan, totoo yung sinasabi ng isa kong mentor. Sabi niya, if you want to know, kung kunyari depressed ka, maghanap ka ng taong mas depressed sa'yo. Para you still feel blessed.
Totoo yan. Yeah. Alam mo, kung let's say reklamador ka kunwari about the traffic, isipin mo, si Syria nga pinupugutan ng ulo.
Yung mga ibang tao nga naglalakad lang.
Yeah, diba? Pas gutom, diba? So, totoo yan. That's what they call, diba?
So sa akin, na-instill sa akin ng mga kapatid ko, nung nalaman ko yung mga stories nila, sa akin yung mga stories na ganun, they are inspiration sa akin. I have learning sa mga ganun palagi na I'm always blessed sa buhay. Parang, palagi na lang na pagka nakikita ko niya may problema ako, tapos may makita akong taong nagugutom dyan sa kali, lalaging sinasabi na parang, buti ka nga ganito, yung tao nandiyan lang sa kali ko nang nakakain. Parang gano'n. So sa akin, na-instill sa akin lagi na lagi akong maswerte. In any ways, kasi may damit ako, yung iba wala. Parang gano'n. Kasi may ngipin ako, yung iba wala. Parang ayan. So sa akin, parang, yun nga, mas na-value ko na parang, kasi may parang meron naman ako yung mga distributors ko wala. So gusto kong magkaroon sila kung anong meron ako.
Yeah. I have a question. Is there meron ka ba, did you have to change something in yourself? Change something in your lifestyle?
Continuous change.
Can you name something, the New Levy now, as what did that?
Okay. New Levy now is mas enthusiastic. Mas energetic. Ayan. Mas funny daw. Mas energized. Kasi before parang, ang buhay ng tao, maganda.
Siya na seryoso.
Hindi naman sa serious. Funny pa rin ang time na yun, although, medyo malamyan ang konti. Ngayon siguro, mas energized talaga. I know how to energize people now. Ang hirap kasi yung before na parang, to give the vision to a person, mahirap Hindi mo siya mapakita Nakikita mo, hindi makita ng tao. Ganun. To motivate people is different. Mahirap pag-motivate ng tao, lalo na kung down sila.
Yeah.
Kailangan, malabas mo yung burning desire nila. Mahirap siya mag-motivate. Yung mga, nag-check ako pinag-aaralan ko kung paano. So I've been observing people. Sabi ko ganun, I have to observe people paano sila nag-motivate kasi hindi ko na kayang mag-motivate. Ang hirap na kilala na nila ako. Feeling nila mina-motivate ko na sila. So act nila sila sa akin. So sabi ko ganun, I have to learn how to motivate. Paano ba mag-motivate yung mga ibang mentor? So I check Mentor Ivy. Grabe. Yung Mentor Ivy ng time na yun, pagkapit, sinabi niyang, tumalag kayo lahat, tumatalon yung lahat ng tao. So, sabi ko, paano niya na-bring out yung maliit siyang tao, pero pag nagsalita siya, lahat ng tao, talagang gigil na gigil. Sabi ko, gusto ko maging ganyan. So, I've been observing a lot of people, different kind of speakers, na parang, hindi ko naman kilala yan, pero ako, nadala niya ako. So, parang sabi ko ganun, I have to be like that. So, yun nga lang, nung nangyari yung mga ganun, continuous change continuous improvement Gusto mo talagang galingan You always have to make yourself better than today. Kung ano ko ngayon, gusto ko mas magaling pa ako. Parang ganun. Nakuha ko naman yan kay Mentor Rich na. Parang sabi niya ganun, kailangan yung mentality kaysa bukas, parang ganun. So parang doon ko nakita na parang change is very important. Hindi pwedeng hindi ka huminto ka ng matututo. Alam mo ba, every day of my life, I have an audiobook on my car na lagi kong pinapakinggan. Siguro, yung 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership, pinakinggan ko yan kasi I want to learn how to lead. Kasi ang hirap naman mag-lead because wala lang, kasi ikaw lang yung nandyan eh. Parang ganun. I want to lead kasi I influence them. Gusto nila ako. Parang ganun.
Yeah.
So, gusto ko yung ganun. Ayoko lang yung mga, kasi ikaw lang talaga yung nandyan. Wala kaming choice. Wala kaming choice. Ako yung kalinya mo, so ikaw lang yung susundin ko. Parang ganun. I want to lead na parang, yun. Dahil gusto nila ako. Dahil okay ako sa kanila. Parang ganun. So, parang almost every day, pinakikinggan ko yun. I choose to listen to audiobooks rather than music. Kahit love ko yung music. I choose audiobooks kasi I want to learn. Kasi kung di ako matututo, sayang naman, kawawa naman. I always look at na parang point na parang kawawa naman yung mga distributors ko kung ganito ako. Parang ganun. Parang nakakaya naman, parang magiging proud ba yung mga distributors ko, yung mga mini-mentor ko, kung ganito lang yung level ko. So, kailangan kong galingan palagi. Good thing is, pag gumagaling ka rin, marami ka na-share sa kanila. And gumagaling din sila.
When you say gumagaling sa, does it translate into, let's say, proof of income? Meron bang ganon? Doon ka ba nila na-admire?
Kasi, alam mo,
kasi diba,
the way you speak,
iba yung magsalita tapos after a while, wala ka namang nothing to show for it, diba? So, but in your case, when you take the lead ba, are you also a role model as far as the business is concerned, diba? Nadadala mo ba dun sa success points of the business itself?
Sa akin kasi, sa business side, there will always be yung tinatawag nilang 80% attitude and 20% skill. So, those things have to be balanced. Pero sa akin, malaking part doon, they have to be motivated on doing that thing. Kasi yung skills, you can teach it. Kung alam ko, kunyari, magaling ako, pero I'm not motivated on doing it, walang production.
Yeah.
Walang production. So, kailangan mo ibabalance. Kailangan motivated talaga sila na gagawin ko to kasi gusto ko. So, ang hirap lang yung, di ba, isipin mo, paano mo motivate yung tao na parang sabihin mo lang siya. Gawin mo siya. Bakit mo gagawin? Parang gano'n. Mahirap siya eh. So, doon ko na-appreciate yung listening to those audiobooks. Yung, may mga binabasa naman akong libro, pero hindi ko siya natatapos. Siguro per piece lang, naghahanap lang ako doon ng mga gusto kong makita kagad na answers. Mga gano'n. Marami akong books eh. Parang feeling ko nga namumulek lang ako tapos lalagay ko na siya doon. So, makikita ko na siya. Parang Mentor Billy na sinasabi nga niyan before. Marami rin siyang libro. Although si Mentor Billy nagbabasa ng book. Pero feeling daw niya, sobrang talino na daw niya kasi ang dami niyang libro. Hawakan lang daw niya yung libro, feeling niya matalino na siya. So para sa akin ko gano'n. Ngayon ako parang pag nakikita ko yung mga books na nandun, para sa akin ko, matalino rin ako.
Ikaw nga pala yung nakikikain kila Mentor Billy.
Yeah, oo, nakikikain ako kasi wala kang pera. Alright. Feeling ko nung time na yun, marami silang, nung time na yun, hindi ko alam na, gano'n din pala. Kung ano yung ginagawa nila before, they have to stay strong. Hindi ko alam naman pala na wala rin pala silang time na yun. Tapos kumakain ako, nakikikain ako, nauubos ko yung kanin nila.
Over the stuff. Yeah. I have so many memories of the stories of your story.
Yeah.
Diba? Because they're and just I guess that's a mark of a true leader dahil lahat ng mga kinukwento mo mismo are things that I also have experienced, diba? Like yung ano ba, mindset, diba? Parang happiness coach na nga eh. So, bang galing. Bakit pa dinuduga yung mindset? So, but you know what? Even if you're the happiest person on the planet, even if you're so skilled at being happy, at making yourself happy, the mindset for success and production are different.
Yeah.
Very different. So that means meron pang iuurong yung mindset mo. There's more things that you need. Meron ka pang mindset na pwedeng idagdag at i-build, diba? Pero hahanapin mo kasi kung hindi mo siya sadyang makikita kung sobrang saya ka na talaga eh. Diba? So hahanapin mo hahanapin mindset that's very relevant to your success. Diba? So, anyway, is there Wait, let me just go over. One of the things that I was going to ask you is, when you went for your goal, meron ba ka bang binago sa schedule mo? Is there anything?
Marami.
So ano na yung
Binago.
so going for a goal, guys, this is something that I want to stress ha. The goals, at the end of the day, we're counting results. We're not counting actions, diba? So although your actions for the week will pwedeng, let's say, the result that you're after is after 7 days, pero araw-araw mo tinatrabaho. So, diba, ganun. So, in your case, what were the changes that you had to make in your routine, in your life, para maging leader ka, para ma-achieve, you can be ma-achieve yung production that you need. Diba? Kasi hindi ka naman, so, nobody went into networking company para maging poor, at para maging leader lang. Everyone went first time because they needed the income, they wanted their lives to change, their experiences in their lives, diba? So, may babaguhin talaga.
Totoo.
Diba? So, in your case, what did you have to change? What does your day look like?
Number one kong binago is yung waking up.
Oh my God! Totoo yan.
So usually, dahil yun daw pagka wala ka ng work in your full-time here in this business, you have a tendency to wake up the afternoon.
Yeah.
So wala nang production. So dati gumigising ako parang
Alas 12.
Hindi naman alas 12, mga alas 3. Alas 3 ng hapon. So pagdating ng alas 3 ng hapon, it's not na parang it's too late, pero tamad ka na dahil it's already 3 p.m. So parang wala ka nang gagawin.
Hibernate mode na yung body.
Nag-hibernate mode na. So, ang sarap kasi matulog eh. Ang sarap matulog. So, yun nga lang doon ko napansin na parang ano pala, na yung pagiging yung excitement mo sa yung ano mo nawawala pagka ganun yung level. So mas mapapansin mo yung mga taong nag-workout, nagjo-jogging everyday, mas enthusiastic sila, mas energetic sila, madadala nila yan hanggang sa work. So pagka gumising ka ng late, tamad ka na, ayaw mo na bumangon, kaya mas masarap dun sa ano, so nadadrag mo yung sarili mo na walang production. Kaya tinamad na rin yung mindset mo. Mindset mo parang wala na, parang tapos nandun na yung papasok lahat ng negativities. So,
excuses?
Yeah, lahat ng excuses. So parang yun yung una kong binago talaga, yung gising ng aga. Pero although sabi naman sa akin nung general manager namin na that's your perks na pwede ka talagang pwede ka namang mag-uwi. Pero wag naman 3 p.m. Sabi niya gano'n. Okay lang na sabi ko gano'n, kailangan ko gumising ng 6 a.m. Sabi ko gano'n. Pwede naman, sabi niya gano'n. Although, perks mo yan. Kaya ka nga na full-time, you don't want to wake up that early kasi, diba, yung employment, gano'n 5 a.m., 6 a.m., they already awake. So, sabi niya gano'n, kahit mga tipong 8 a.m. na lang, sabi niya gano'n, 8 a.m. na 9 a.m. Yung start na yun ng mga employees na mag-work na sila. Ikaw, gumigising pa lang ng umaga. Sabi niya gano'n, you still have a long way to go. Parang gano'n, marami ka namang oras, 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. Parang gano'n. So, I started shifting my routine na gising at saka yung tulog. Ayan. Yung tulog ko nun dati, iba. Siguro kaya rin ako gumigising ng 3 a.m. Kasi
3 p.m.
3 p.m. kasi natutulog ako ng mga 7 a.m. or 8 a.m.
Oo nga. So, hindi ka tulog ng gabi.
Yeah.
You're night owl.
Pero wala naman ako ginagawa for that night. I mean, uwi ako ng bahay mga 12. Tapos, wala akong ginagawa hanggang sa 7 a.m. 12 a.m.
Midnight.
12 a.m. midnight. Nandun na ako sa bahay. So, pwede na ako matulog nun. Kahit sabihin natin 1 or 2. Pwede na ako matulog nun kung sakali. Pero grabe, di ba? As in talagang wala lang akong ginagawa nun.
Ngayong Pasko, bumoto para sa Paskong Makulay. Bumoto para sa
Maybe heaven sent you. Maybe we were meant meant to be. Together be forever, two little hearts go boom. Baby, heaven sent you. Maybe, 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 maybe we were meant to be. Together be forever, two little hearts go boom. Boom, 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 boom. Baby, 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 heaven sent you. Maybe, 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 maybe we were meant to be. Together be forever, two little hearts go boom.
Ganun din yung trabaho. Yun. Tapos, aside from that, yung gathering ng groups, doon ko na-maximize yung doon ko na-maximize yung ideas ko. Na pwede pala. Hanggang sa, yun, na-maximize ko yung strengths and weaknesses ng mga distributors ko.
And you only learn that when you really are immersed.
Yeah.
Diba? Kapag hindi mo ginagawa, hindi mo an idea does not evolve until you really dive in.
Yeah.
Diba? So yung pinakamasarap sa that's what I think, for me, ang pinaka-exciting part of the business is because you keep discovering things.
Yeah.
When you move, diba? When you walk towards it, when you bravely take the responsibility for your life and for your others. Diba? Kasi kung isip ka lang ng isip, tas hindi mo siya na-test, diba? Eh, diba?
Yun yung dapat na exciting doon eh. You'll never know what will happen. But you have to try.
Yeah. Pag na-test mo, then it works.
Yeah, that's
fascinating. Sobrang fascinating yung feeling na yun, diba? So anyway, Mentor Levy, our time is up. But is there any message that you want to give to the all those who want to be winners in 2015?
If you want to be winners in 2015, you have to work now. You really have to work now. Sabi ko, ganun kung hindi ko inumpisahan yung business before. I joined August eh. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. I don't have the knowledge. I don't know the business. I don't have the skills. But you have to try. So you learn the process on the way. But don't be scared. Kasi parang naisip ko nga dati, parang kung hindi ko siya ginawa ng August, wala akong fruits of labor noong 2011. So 2010 ako nag-start. I started 2010. You work hard for it. You have to kumbaga focus yourself na focus on the goal na tatrabuhin ko na ngayon. Kasi kung resolution natin lagi is next year na lang kasi meron naman parang maganda yung start ng year. No. That's yung sasabihin mong this is my year. Hindi mo man sabi yan next year. Masasabi mo yan 2016 pa. That this is my year. Kasi you've been productive noong 2015. So if you want to be productive in 2015, you have to work kahit meron pa namang may mga araw pa eh. May 1 month pa.
For the year.
That 1 month is pa rin, malaking bagay pa rin siya. Yung 1 month din can change everything for your 2015.
Yeah.
May distributor, si Mentor Raisa noong time na yun. She worked her ass out 2013 December. Nag-run siya ng gold January. She didn't know na makakapag-run siya ng gold ng January.
Yeah.
So, ibig sabihin sa inyo, di ba, ngayon yung fruits of labor niya, grabe, nakapag-travel siya ng abroad, cruise, Asian cruise, sa mga ganung bagay. So, para maging fruits sa inyo yung madami kayong makakuha ng 2015, make every day count na you have to decide and focus on those goals.
Yeah, I love that. Para marami kayong makuha for the year 2014, you have to
yung madami kayong makakuha ng 2015, make every day count na you have to decide and focus on those goals.
Yeah, I love that. Para marami kayong makuha for the year 2014, you have to start now. Yeah, you have to start now, you have to begin now, and may isang buwan pa. Anyway, we have to go, we're gonna sign off already.
Yeah.
We'll just wrap it up na.
Yeah.
So for everyone out there, madali ko kaming hanapin. Diba? Nasa AIM lang po kami tuwing Mondays ang gabi. You can look for Mr. Levy de la Cruz there. Tawag dito if you wanna ask kung gusto nyo magpa-mentor sa kanya and be part of the growing business. Diba? Start your end your 2014 right by making the right decision. Diba? And finally planning what your 2015 will be. But start your 2015 by creating results each day. Remember, hindi na po uso yung puro action lang. Result is what you have to stay focused and determined to get. So, be determined to get. So, this is Francine de las Alas and Mr. Mentor Levy. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I have a gift for you today. We're recording our Christmas month. Rinig niyo po si Mentor Levy 24, within every single day until the end of this year. Kanyang Christmas baking with me. So, anyway, that's it. So, happy thoughts and more power to you. And thank you for inspiring all of us and for being such a good person inside out.
Happy to be here.
Yeah. Thank you. Next year ulit, malamang ikaw. So this is Francine de las Alas. You want to say hello to anyone?
Hello sa lahat ng group ko.
Alright. So, Mentor Billy, maraming salamat. I'll see the rest of you guys in the coming weeks. So, thank you very, very, very much and keep up the good work. Happy thoughts, everyone.
Okay.